Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie a Zara cap gele. So you're going to make use of 2A4 paper, and the measurement for the paper, the folding is 3 inches. You fold it this way. Then the measurement for your gele is 50-50. You place the paper on the gele and fold 3 times. Just watch carefully. When you're done folding, you place in front of your head and tie at the back before you proceed to make your rose. After that, we proceed to start making our roses. It's 2 roses that we are going to make at the back. So just watch carefully. If you want to make only one, I have a tutorial video on my channel. You can go and check it out, how to make that type. But for today, we are making 2 separate rows. So watch carefully. You open the first flap, then you start making your pleats. When you're done making your pleats, you round it, as you're going to see shortly. While turning it round, you continue to arrange your pleats until you're done. After arranging it properly, you tuck it under and pin. When pinning, you hold the base firmly with the piece that you have in your hands and pin to secure. Then you repeat the same process on the other flap. Here's a tip. If you're tying this Zara cap on yourself, after folding your paper, placing it on your head and tying it at the back, you're going to turn it to the front and do this process that you're seeing in front of your mirror, so that it's going to come out nice. Then when you're through with everything, that's when you push it to the back again and style properly. When you're done with both flaps, you're going to proceed to start doing your finishing touches, and you cover the back properly. That's the remaining side that is open. You're going to cover it properly. You're going to see as I'm going to do it. After covering the back, you can proceed to join both rows together. And that is it. We are done with our gele. We are done with our Zara cap gele with 2 roses. Very chic. Once you take this to a wedding, you're going to stand out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. This is the look. Very nice. Beautiful piece. Bye, guys.